In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in MetaTrader 5. If you spend a lot of time looking at charts, especially in the evening or early morning, switching to a dark theme can make a big difference. It's easier on your eyes, it reduces glare, and for many traders, it simply looks cleaner and more modern. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly how to turn on dark mode in MetaTrader 5, step by step, in just a few moments. First, make sure MetaTrader 5 is open and you're on the main trading screen where you can see your charts, market watch, and other panels. What we're looking for is the option to change the color theme of the platform. Depending on your device and version, this might be in the settings, appearance, or theme section, but the wording you want to look for is color theme. Take a moment to locate the color theme option. On desktop, this is typically found under the platform's main settings or options menu. On mobile, it may be inside the app settings under appearance or interface. Once you've found it, click or tap on color theme to open the list of available themes. When the color theme options appear, you should see a few different choices such as light, classic, or dark. Since we want to enable dark mode, look for the option labeled dark. Go ahead and click or tap on dark. As soon as you select dark, the interface should update automatically. Your charts, background, menus, and panels will switch to darker tones. This helps reduce the amount of bright white on your screen and makes candlesticks, indicators, and text stand out more clearly. Take a quick look around your workspace to make sure everything updated correctly. If the changes don't appear right away, try closing and reopening the chart window, or in some cases restarting the app so the theme can fully refresh. You can always switch back to a lighter theme later by returning to the color theme settings and choosing a different option. That's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled dark mode in MetaTrader 5. From now on, your trading environment should feel a lot more comfortable, especially during longer sessions or in low light conditions.